some quick little formatting things that I do when I make my sheets, and then I'm going to show you how Excel, you can make it auto summarize or auto add up all of your rows. So if I'm looking here, or a column if you want, little tricks of the trade, when you start to type, instead of me continuing to write, let's say I want to go all the way to student 15, instead of me continuing to do that, I can just drag down here and it goes to 15. If I double click between A and B columns, it will auto go to the width it needs to. Let's say, same thing here for social studies, I can do that there. Let's say, so it says width is 12-ish. Let's say I want all these to be the same width. I can click on all of them, column width, and I can change them all to 13 so that they're all the same. Maybe I know I want all my text in here to be centered. Not only do I want it centered, I want it centered within the text box too. If this is a title for this whole thing, I'm going to want to come up here to this merge button, okay, and it's going to merge it, and then I can resize it if I want so it stands out. Rows will automatically resize, columns will not, and then of course in theory I could go back and change this, but it would throw it off. So in this Excel sheet, I am currently trying to track missing assignments for these students across multiple classes. So just for reference, I'm going to just throw in some random numbers for right now so you can see it as I go. What we're going to do is we are going to type in an equal sign and type in the word sum. When you type in sum, you notice there's a few different options, but we want adds all of the numbers in the range of cells. I'm going to double click, and then without leaving the text box, I'm going to come over and click on this first 3 here. You notice that the text box now says B3. If I want it just to sum up that box, I would leave it at that, but I want it to add up all of these. Okay, so whatever area you want added, you're going to add them up, and then you press enter. You'll see it auto totals. What's great is once you've done it once, you can drag it down and you won't have to redo the formula. As we can see, the rest of my students currently are at 3, but as I add in grades or missing assignments, it starts to add it. So that is how to add sum. If you realize, oh, I've got to add another column, so let's say I want to add in foreign language, all you have to do is go back to your formula. Currently it still will total it because I put it in the middle. Okay, if let's say, let me go back and do that again, if I put it here instead, so insert, and this is my foreign language, it's not going to automatically total, but I can fix it by going ahead and clicking on my box and change it from E. See, once I click there, I can now go ahead and re-add in. When I do it to that one, it doesn't auto fix, but if I do that drag again, it will do it there. Okay, so remember the formula, all you have to do is start typing equals sum, click the enter button, and then, oh, not the enter button, equals sum, go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be able to pick wherever you want to sum from. So that is how you have Excel do your auto calculating for you.